Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach. Today I have a special listing to show you. It's a 2014 210 Dauntless by Boston Whaler. It really is an all-around great boat. This one is geared towards fishing with the trolling motor and dual live wells, but it's just as comfortable just to cruise around with the friends and family. Nice shallow water draft, comfortable ride, some chop. It's got a Mercury 4-stroke 200 horsepower outboard. Comes with this trailer, which is in great condition. New tires, everything looks in working order. I'm going to show you this boat today. Hey everybody, welcome aboard this 2014 210 Dauntless by Boston Whaler. Quick look around. Nice trolling motor mounted on the bow. Nice flat bow surface for you to cast off of or lounge in the sun. Console seat. Inside the console. Very nice dash setup. The huge Garmin screen mounted in the middle for you. Electronic controls for this 4-stroke 200 horsepower outboard by Mercury. This fold-out aft bench, nice and flush back deck. This is your designated battery compartment with the battery switch. You also have another battery in this compartment with the fold-out swim ladder. Nice leaning post here with 4 different adjustable positions for the backrest, as well as a live well underneath. Big Fusion radio mount on the dash. Controls your JL speaker audio. This is for your onboard battery charger. Nice, quick and easy. So we'll go through these hatches real quick. Your designated anchor locker. Nice and clean, you can see. This is a really clean boat, guys. That's where you plug your trolling motor into. Nice fish box area here. So you can use it for any kind of storage you'd like, but it can still hold some decent sized fish. Facing console seat, also acts as a live well. This boat comes equipped with 2 live wells because it is the fishing model of the 210 Dauntless from 2014. All your switches up here, really good shape. Digital Mercury control. Nice field of view from the helm. Flip this backrest forward. Give you a look at this even bigger live well. Again, you can use this for any kind of dry storage you'd like, or a cooler, or what have you. You can get creative. Huge aft backrest bench here. Designated storage underneath. Really comfortable. Upholstery's in great shape. Big storage. Cup holders, rod holders, you name it. This boat's ready. Guys, if you have any questions, please give me a call. My cell, 239-249-4345. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. It's a really clean boat. won't last long. 90 hours on this 200 horsepower Mercury outboard. For 2014, could not be in better shape. And covered, mainly freshwater use. Let me know what you think. Like I said, give me a call at 239-249-4345. Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thank you very much. Alrighty guys, as we step aboard this boat, we'll see how open the space is. Nice layout, center console, leaning post, awesome platform for fishing or cruising around. This one has a trolling motor with dual batteries and a new battery charger. There's a live well in front of the console, under the seat, and another one in the leading post. Tremendous boat. Low hours, under 100 hours on this 2014 Dauntless. Mostly freshwater use. The trolling motor gets more use than the outboard. This client goes fishing in the rivers, gets to his destination, turns on the trolling motor. Outboard has very low hours. Aft bench seat. Nice storage under here. You can have some rod holder storage down there. This one comes with the Garmin as well, upgraded. Electronic gauges with the 200, electronic throttle as well. Hydraulic steering, nice fusion head unit. With 2 JL speakers on both sides of the console. Up front, we have designated anchor locker storage, as well as our anchor light and a plug-in for the trolling motor. Back here, wouldn't be a fishing boat without a fish box. You can use it for other storage as well. This is a nice big area. Allows you to store some stuff or pack the fish on ice. Nice walk through of the dash. Leaning post backrest is adjustable with 4 different positions, as you can see here. Big live well. Like I said earlier, that outboard has very low hours. It's right around 90 hours. Inside the console, you have that new 360 series battery charger with 2 batteries designated for that trolling motor. Nice jump seat that installs right there for fishing on the bow, casting into the shallows. Nice adjustable steering wheel for your comfort. Very clean boat, well maintained. I'd love to be able to show it to you. Guys, if you have any questions, give me a call on my cell at 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach. Give me a call if you have any questions. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.